So we're gonna do this walk, the Ida Bay State Reserve, Southport Lagoon Beach, 1.5 hours. The rain's coming! Uh-oh, shelter! So after walking for many hours, no, just 45 minutes, we have arrived. All these shells crushed. Look at that. And we have arrived to the Southport Lagoon. That's the beautiful landscape over there. Very easy walk. Tunnel. The cave.
You're a hero, early explorer of Australia, right?
Yeah.
Ah.
First one ever. From Colombia anyways.
So Tasmania and Colombia put together is what? Tazombia or something?
Tazombia, yeah.
Tazombia.
Mm-hmm.
You're Tazombi.
I'm a Tazombi. Hiya.
Hello.
Hello.
How are you?
Good, my lovecito. Have fun.
Where are you?
Bushwalk. I'm at Ida Bay, near the train, going back to Lagoon River. You're gonna go dizzy. Now you'll be in the picture. Hey, so where are you?
I'm in Tasmania, and I'm the Tasmanian devil.
Gotcha. So here we are in the Ida Bay Heritage Railway in Lagoon River, and this is the cutest rail station or railway I've ever seen in my life. I feel like I'm in a movie. Look at that.